सर मेरा सवाल मंच पे मौजूद सभी लोगों से है कि इस फिल्म के अलावा कोई ऐसा इत्तेफाक आपकी ज़िंदगी में या करियर वाइज हुआ हो जो आप शेयर
करेंगे। आपकी ज़िंदगी में कोई इत्तेफाक मोमेंट हुआ है?
खान साहब आप शुरू करें और सिद्धार्थ से ख़त्म कर सकते हैं। कोई ऐसा इत्तेफाक इस फिल्म के अलावा जो आपको अभी याद आता हो करियर या ज़िंदगी में?
मैं उन्हीं लोगों की बात करूंगा यार जो यही बहुत बड़ा इत्तेफाक है कि हम लोग एक दूसरे को बहुत सालों से जानते हैं, अलग अलग मौक़ों पे मिले हैं। बट या करण से मैं इत्तेफाक से ही मिला था when his father got him on the, is it right, Karan Arjun? I was shooting Karan Arjun and मैं यशजी से बात कर रहा था and he had got his roly-poly son along and he said ये मेरा बेटा. At that time he didn't want to be in films, I think. He didn't want to make films and I think perhaps more than me, perhaps Adi, but even being in touch with me kind of convinced him that ठीक है मैं फिल्में बनाता हूँ because my dad is and I still remember his dad was also not so keen because he wasn't keen. So I think ये इत्तेफाक की बात है कि हम लोग एक जगह पर अजीब से मिले. मैं जाती हूँ मैं गाना कर रहा था and he met me and he thought I think my shoes or my shirt wasn't well fitting or he found me not fashionable enough.
He was wearing an orange denim shirt and I called up Kajal that morning because I knew she was on set. My father wanted me to go on that film set and he was like, आजा मेरे साथ, you must take rounds with me. Producers rounds लेते हैं, you know, हर जगह जाते हैं and you know, you must come with me. तो जाती हूँ मैं, तो मैंने काजल को बोला that I don't know anybody on set. She said, yeah, come there. The song is going on and on and on for 8 days. So you come and we'll sit together. Then I met Shah Rukh and my impression of movie stars up to that point was like that, you know, they and especially Shah Rukh, there were lots of stories about like, oh, he's like, which I've written in my book about the first time I even saw him. But I have to say it now because I'm talking about it. But I went for a screen test for a TV serial that I was acting in. It was called Indradhanush. I was sitting in a room and it was 10 o'clock and the director was Anand Mahendru. He hadn't stepped out till about 2. And opposite me there was a man who was drinking tea and doing the crossword for 4 hours. I didn't know who he was. Anand Mahendru walks out after 4 hours, goes across the room and goes to this gentleman who's standing there. He says, so sorry, मैं late हो गया. Late हो गया meaning 4 घंटे late is not being late, but anyway, it's being on another level of late. But this man just stood up and said, no, it's okay. I like the chai in your office and I wanted to finish the crossword and I don't want to do this serial. I just came to tell you that. So he said, you waited 4 hours to tell me you don't want to do a serial. So he said, yeah, but I just like the tea in your office. And anyway, that man left and Anand Mahendru came towards me. He said, ow, I'm so happy to see you. You're quite fat, because he wanted a really fat boy for the part. So I said, thank you. I'm really quite fat. And so he said, I said, does that mean I got the part? He said, yeah, you are getting the part. But look at that man. You know who he is? I said, no, he's saying he's an actor called Shah Rukh Khan. So I said, oh, I don't know. He said he's done a serial called 4G and he's stupid to let go. Look at this boy. I'm going to make him into a big star. He's going to do it. And I looked at that man and yeah, I was like, cool. And he said that Shah Rukh Khan ka kuch nahi hoga. That was my memory of Shah Rukh Khan, who was on the first time. And then I meet him in 1993, like about 5 years later. And he was warm and he was so wonderfully respectful to my father. And I think he had me at hello just that day. That was my big ittifaq moment.
Akshay, Sonakshi.
I think the biggest ittifaq is that my dad did Ravi sir's first film and I'm doing Boo's film. I think इससे बड़ा ittifaq क्या हो सकता है?
और आप हमारी बात क्योंकि नहीं सुन रहे, मैं वापस बोल देती हूँ. My dad was supposed to do the original ittifaq and वो नहीं हो पाया, तो अब मैं हूँ. So life has come full circle and ये बहुत बड़ी ittifaq है.
जुनू, सिद्धार्थ.
I think just coming together with all of them, like I knew Karan as an assistant, I knew Shah Rukh the first time aiding for Karan, and it was just beautiful how they all came and helped us in our time of need, and I mean liked what they heard, and I mean I think that itself is an ittifaq.
Yeah, I think talking about the film, before I had met him, actually I met Boo about when I was doing Ek Villain 3 or 4 years ago. And for whatever reason, the film didn't happen at that time. And that time एक ही producer था. तो इत्तेफाक से जब 3 साल बाद मिले तो यहाँ 3 producer आ गए हैं. And Karan got involved and I did the film today, so I feel it was meant to be again. And yeah, we're pretty happy that everyone came together.
And I think Boo's biggest ittifaq moment is ittifaq itself. I think this is his big, it doesn't get bigger than this ittifaq moment. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, any other questions we have from the house? Yes, sir. Hanji. Because it happened one night. IT is for it. It was part of Rahul Nanda, but the happened one night has vanished. It was there in the first creative. The IT in red is because of the it happened one night. And the blood is because it's about a double murder. Yeah, it says that I just don't like plain things. I like things that come with extra drama. Today, in fact, I changed my shoes because Akshay found my shoes objectionable, the ones I wore in the afternoon. Yeah. He looked at them and he said, I can't bear your shoes. So I got scared and I changed them because I'm scared of Akshay, I've told you.
We are witness to this.
Hi, I would like to...
Karan?
Okay. Despite having no promotions of the film, are you happy with the kind of buzz it's got so far?
Yes, I mean, I think that the fact that we haven't promoted it has just built intrigue for a film like this. I'm not saying that this should be, you employ this as a device for every film. But for this particular genre, this space of film, I felt it was integral that we don't go out there and speak about it time and again. Because A, it carries I would say, the issue would be that it would sound repetitive. We said the same things again and again because we can't reveal much. And B, I think building intrigue is everything. So I'm certainly satisfied with the film, and I think that eventually will speak for itself. I'm more than satisfied.
One more question. How well do you think thrillers do in India? Do you think it's a successful genre?
I think we make too few of them because we tend to laden them with a lot of, because a thriller cannot work when you put 6 songs in it, because then it stops being thrilling. Because you're stopping, you're singing, then you start again. So a thriller really works when it's songless, and this one is songless.
Sorry? Oh yeah, I think it's really, I mean personally, one of my favorite genres is thrillers. I really enjoy them. And I could see like a film like Usual Suspects or whatever. Whenever I'm bored, I'll just put on Usual Suspects knowing everything about it, even the lines. And I think, yeah, we do make very few thrillers in this country. And I don't know if that's because our films are laden with songs and that is the reason, like Karan said. But he knows well, so maybe he understands that better. But I feel whatever the reason, we just make very few of them. You know, there was Qanun many years ago, then there is I think you've done a couple with Abbas Mustan.
So many of your films are in the beginning.
Bazigar, maybe.
Yes, so many of your films.
I'm please not saying that was the only one, but I think since then not very many except one.
I think a quintessential thriller would be Kahani. Kahani is a thriller. In the way that we try to channelize this film has been that songless story content thriller.
Hello. I would like to ask the lead pair, Siddharth and Sonakshi, how did it feel when you guys didn't go out full on like promoting the film? Usually you all are used to aggressive promotions.
It felt great.
I felt really guilty. I feel I'm not used to it. I think it's our first time. We're not used to it. We're kind of confused.
Yeah.
So she's very happy.
No, I'm loving it also because the kind of response the trailer of this film got, I felt like, everybody just really connected with it and took to it. So I felt like we didn't have to go there and repeat all the same things. Like he said, it gets repetitive. We get asked the same questions. We have to... Honestly, promoting a film has become tougher than actually filming it. So I was very happy, and for the first time, it's refreshing even for an actor to be able to just sit back and gauge an audience's reaction from where we're standing instead of like going out there. It's nice.
I think the important thing to know is that normally we make a lot of films which are template driven. They're similar, the commercial films that we make. And for those, you need to go out and say, look, it's the same template, but we are trying to present it to you differently. And that's what happens in the nice ones and the bad ones. But I think this film, 2 reasons, I think, between Apurva, Gaurav, the whole team, the budgets have been kept because by the genre itself, the story itself, it's not a very pehlava film. And I think this film will be liked and loved and appreciated for the content. More than anything else, not any less for the acting they've done, obviously, or the direction that happens, or the writing. But I think the content is going to be really important for the film. So when the content is going to be so important, and we can't show a lot of it by the genre itself, ki dikha denge sab kuch. So to talk about it, the less spoken about it, more seen and presented, I think would be better for Ittifaq. So I think this strategy which Karan and his team devised, I think is really, really nice for this film. And the actors also, again, in a film like this, it's very character driven. It's not a hero type or a stereotype. So I think that also becomes interesting, a part of storytelling when it unfolds. So it's nicer that it's kept kind of under wraps, and now slowly it'll open up and inshallah explode into some really nice thrilling moments in the film.
Also, I would like
Karan. Oh, I think we're in negotiation for some of that right now. We can't confirm that till it really happens.
Karan, hi. Yeah. Karan.
I think we've done a whole, we gave you a book on Ittifaq. On the set, the Ittifaq is that everyone showed up on time. and we managed to shoot the film.
Yeah, there was a time we thought we'll all watch it together at home, but I don't know if that happens because everybody's gonna be busy. But I'll meet you all on the 2nd here and spend some time with you, and yeah.
Make sure you ask him about Ittifaq. That's my request, because since you all will meet him on the 2nd, एक 5 मिनट अगर आप Ittifaq के बारे में दे दे तो थोड़ा additional push मिल जाएगा.
क्यों तो करता marketing नहीं करनी.
अरे मैं कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है तो बोलने के लिए तो मैं कुछ भी बोल लेता हूँ.
हेलो करण,
उस दिन कर देना, अभी तो हुआ नहीं. अभी तो 2-3 दिन बाकी हैं.
I am very young at 45. I don't know what in.
Karan, yeah. Ittifaq was a songless film. In this film, Raat Baki, Baat Baki, वो गाना.
It's promotion.
It's not connected.
And also,
not in the film.
ये film में नहीं है. You know, just please do write it. I think somebody got sued for it. हाँ, yeah. ये गाना इस फिल्म में नहीं है.
ये गाना इस फिल्म में नहीं.
तो धर्मा प्रोडक्शन की तरफ से, BR फिल्म्स की तरफ से और रेड चिलीज की तरफ से हमें सू नहीं करना. ये गाना फिल्म
करना बहुत सारे हमारे वैसे ही केसेस हैं. I can't handle any more legal matters for no reason. I beg you. I don't want to be sued again.
अच्छा, Sonakshi here. Did you watch the original Ittifaq? Because Nanda ji's performance was hailed as, you know, उन ज़माने में was, you know, she was highly appreciated.
जी, I've heard, but no, I haven't seen the film क्योंकि करण ने मुझे कहा था.
Actually एक और इत्तेफाक है.
या एक और इत्तेफाक है कि हम तीनों ने
पूरी कास्ट ने पुरानी इत्तेफाक नहीं देखी है.
पुरानी वाली इत्तेफाक.
None of us have seen it.
और honestly
पैदा हुए होगे तो देखी होगी.
69 के.
तीनों ने नहीं देखी.
सोनाक्षी, उस पिक्चर में नंदा ने एक ही साड़ी में पूरी पिक्चर शूट की थी.
जी.
तो आपके लिए मुझे नहीं पता इसमें कितने कॉस्ट्यूम चेंज करने का मौका मिला आपको, बट जब ऐसा नहीं होता है तो वो एक्सपीरियंस कैसा होता है? यूजुअली आपको अलग अलग कॉस्ट्यूम्स और ये सब मिलते हैं.
मैं एक बात तो कहना चाहती हूँ, मैं इतनी कंफर्टेबल मैं कोई फिल्म में नहीं रही हूँ, क्योंकि मैं एक नाइटी पहन के मैंने पूरी फिल्म शूट की है. तो मैं बड़ी खुश थी.
तो वो घर उठते ही आ जाती थी सेट पे.
तो मैं आ गई. It was the most comfortable film I've shot.
सिद्धार्थ, अपनी आपकी पिछली फिल्म द जेंटलमैन was also a thriller actually. This is also a thriller. Both from Dharma. ये भी एक इत्तेफाक है.
That was not a thriller.
Hi, Karan Tulsi Center. This is Priyanka from Indian Express. So we've been hearing a lot that you and Shahrukh might collaborate for a project. I mean, I think you also narrated him some idea, which I don't know if it worked out or not. But could you say something about that? Is there something?
तुम्हें सब कुछ ही मालूम है, तुम ही बता दो ना यार.
जो बाकी की information है वो आप बता दीजिए. So is there something happening?
More than me saying, you should read about it when it happens.
Shahrukh, if you could say something on that.
No, me and Karan always share a lot of ideas, to be honest, till we come on to a specific one. Unless Karan already उसके पास कोई ना कोई कहानी एकदम ready है जो मेरे लिए है, तो हम बहुत मिलते हैं यार. कभी कभार प्रोडक्शन के लिए, जैसे ये फिल्म है, कभी कभार एक दूसरे के साथ, कभी ये जो बनाना चाह रहे हैं मेरे बिना, कभी वो वाली जो मेरे साथ. So we discuss a lot, you know, ऐसा नहीं हम तभी मिलते हैं जब हम एक ही फिल्म की बात कर रहे हैं. So there have been a lot of discussions over the last 2 years now. Before that he was 1.5 years because Ae Dil mein he was busy. So yeah, we keep discussing, but we really haven't honed on to anything as yet, because now we've reached a stage and age where when we do a film together as director actor, then दोनों को बहुत खुशी होनी चाहिए beyond everything else. You know, it should be different. It should be, like he said, we are blamed for kind of always making similar films about family and all. I think we all have had guts now and experience to try something nicer, wilder, cooler, differenter than what we've done before. So yeah, we do meet for a lot of ideas, and we are so close to each other, sometimes we can reject it outright without thinking. He'll feel bad or I'll feel bad. नहीं यार मुझे नहीं करनी आ रही है, ये मत तू भी मत बना. So we have a lot of discussions like that.